My brothers and sisters, I apologize if this video takes a long time, but if you listen to this video carefully, you will benefit a lot. May the peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah be with you all. Brothers and sisters. Today, we embark on a beautiful journey, a journey to enhance our connection with Allah through prayer. Our destination. A state of presence, humility, and focus known as Khushu. The power of presence. Imagine a close friend pouring their heart out to you. You wouldn't check your phone or let your mind wander. You'd be fully present, listening intently. Prayer is a conversation with the Almighty. Khushu is about being fully present in that conversation, heart and mind aligned with Allah. The Quran beautifully describes the believers who achieve this state. They who are during their prayer humbly submissive. The Prophet's perfect prayer. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is our guide in all aspects of life, including prayer. His companions described his focus and reverence during Salah, a testament to his deep khushu. One narration tells us, the Prophet used to prolong his standing, in prayer, so much that we would think something had happened to him. This paints a picture of a deliberate, unhurried prayer, where each posture is held with respect and focus. Companions who achieved khushu. The early Muslims were known for their devotion and the depth of their khushu. One story tells of a companion, Abu Zar Ghifari, who was once so engrossed in prayer that a burning ember fell on his foot, and he didn't even flinch. These stories inspire us to strive for a similar level of focus and connection during our prayers. Our steps on the path. Cultivating khushu takes dedication and effort. Here are some tips to consider on your journey. Knowledge is power. Understanding the meaning of the Quran recited in prayer and the purpose behind each posture allows you to connect with the act itself. Prepare for the conversation. Just like an important meeting, take a moment to settle your mind and ensure a distraction-free environment for prayer. Be mindful, consciously focus on the words you recite and the actions you perform during prayer. Seek tranquility. Worry and stress can hinder khushu. Take a moment before prayer to find inner peace through deep breaths or zikr, the remembrance of Allah. Embrace the journey. Remember, khushu is a lifelong pursuit, not a destination. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. By incorporating these tips and reflecting on your prayer experiences, you can begin to unlock the beauty and depth of khushu, enriching your connection with Allah with every salah. The power of stories, the crying worshipper. There's a powerful story about a man known for his emotional prayers. People would see him weeping during his prostrations. One day, someone curious approached him and asked, "Why do you cry so much in prayer? Don't you know Allah has forgiven you?" The man replied, "Don't you know I am standing before the most gracious, the most merciful?" This story beautifully illustrates the power of khushu. When we truly understand the immense love and mercy of Allah, our hearts naturally soften, and prayer becomes a deeply emotional experience. Conclusion. May Allah guide us all on this beautiful journey of enhancing our khushu. As we strive for deeper focus and presence in prayer, we'll find a renewed sense of peace, connection, and joy in our faith. May Allah guide us all on this journey towards deeper and more fulfilling.